Hey guys, we're back. We're talking about what we usually talk about real estate. And just wanted to talk a little bit about how crazy the market is right now. So if you're a seller, great time to sell. Don't even question it. If it's on your mind, jump in. Let's connect and talk about how we can get it sold quick for top dollar. But what I really wanted to touch on is buyers. With a few buyers right now. One of them is an end user, someone that's going to move into the home and live there. And I've got a couple of investors that I'm working with as well, and it's wild. We've put in some offers at 10, 15 grand above list price, and they get it. And then I've got other people that have put in offers at 50,000 above list price and have missed out. So the name of the game right now is patience. We've got a few strategies that we're using. A couple of things we're doing is, waiving an appraisal, making it not contingent on an appraisal. So if, you have to bid above list price and you run into appraisal issues, we're saying, we'll come up with the money out of pocket at closing to make sure that we get it closed. And then people are using some of the money they were planning on using for their down payment to make up that difference in the appraisal and purchase price. Waiving inspections. These are things that I normally wouldn't recommend in a normal market, but right now they're things that we have to get creative if we want to get into houses. So waiving inspections, having earnest money go hard after a short due diligence period, 3 to 5, maybe 7 days, get an inspection done. If you're going to have an inspection done, and then come with your strongest offer. So typically I'm seeing homes go under contract at between 10 and 15,000 or 10 and 15% above list price. So $500,000 house, you're looking at about $550 right now. Sometimes you can get lucky. I've got investors, a couple of investors that we're going after new builds. So we're putting out 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 offers at a time on different lots and new builds, and trying to see if they can get one of them. Those are above list price as well. And it's like I said, the name of the game is patience. If you're thinking about buying, it's still a good time. Interest rates are still low. They're coming up a little bit, but it's still cheap money. Their prices are forecasted to go up another 10 to 12% in Salt Lake County this year. So if you get in now, you're going to make some good equity. If you have to go above list price, 10 to 12%, you're going to make that up with that price increase this year anyways. So interesting market, fun stuff. It can be a little frustrating, but it's just patience. It's finding a good agent that knows some of these strategies, knows how to get an offer accepted for you, working together, communicating, and strategizing. So if you're thinking about buying, let's connect, let's talk, let's put a strategy in place, get a plan together, and we can find you a home. All we got to do is work hard and stay patient. So get out.